Carolina. Northeastern Gaston County is a Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Lincolnton, or near High Shoals, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Kannapolis, downtown Concord, northeast Charlotte, northwest Charlotte, west Concord, Cornelius, Mount Holly, Harrisburg, and Dallas. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. The storm will be accompanied by brief heavy rainfall and little or no lightning. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus,